Let's be real for a second. English isn't just a school subject. It's a literal backstage pass to the world. We're talking better jobs, global travel, and making friends in corners of the map you haven't even visited yet. But I know what you're thinking. How do I actually get good at speaking it? Well, grab a coffee, get comfortable, and let's break down the ultimate game plan to level up your English. No boring lectures, just real strategies. Phase 1, the daily habit. First things first, consistency beats intensity every single time. You've got to live the language. Start small. Literally talk to yourself. When you're making breakfast, say, "I'm making eggs." When you're hungry, think, "I need a snack." It sounds silly, but you're training your brain to stop translating and start thinking in English. And don't do it in silence. Read your favorite book or a news article out loud. It trains your mouth muscles and helps you get a feel for the rhythm of the language. If you really want to level up, record yourself on your phone. Listening back is the fastest way to catch those tiny pronunciation hiccups. Phase 2. Use your tech. We live in the future, so let's use it. Ditch the textbooks for a bit and dive into English media. Binge watch that Netflix series, listen to podcasts while you commute, or follow English-speaking creators on YouTube. This isn't just watching TV, it's immersion. You're picking up slang, tone, and how real people actually talk. Got a smartphone? Use it. There are dozens of apps designed to turn learning into a game. Join online forums or language exchange communities. Find a partner who wants to learn your language while you learn theirs. It's a win-win, and you'll actually make a friend in the process. Phase 3, the secret sauce. Confidence. Here's the part most people miss. Stop being afraid of making mistakes. Seriously, even native speakers stumble over their words sometimes. Every mistake you make is just a signpost telling you where to improve. If you're nervous, start in front of a mirror. Watch your mouth movements, get comfortable with the sounds, and then take that energy into an English club or a local workshop. When you do speak, don't rush. Speaking slowly isn't a sign of weakness, it's a sign of clarity. It gives you time to think and ensures people actually understand your brilliant ideas. Phase 4. Stay motivated. Finally, keep it fun. If it feels like a chore, you'll quit. Play games in English, sing along to your favorite tracks, car karaoke anyone, and celebrate the wins. Did you learn 5 new words today? That's a win. Did you order a coffee without stuttering? Huge win. Set small goals, reward yourself when you hit them, and most importantly, be patient. You're building a bridge to a new world. It's okay if it takes a little time to finish the construction. So, which one of these are you starting today? Let me know in the comments. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button for more tips on your English journey. Keep practicing, keep dreaming, and I'll see you in the next one.